Hello. So we decided to come for a morning walk and then realized the park was closed, so we ended up coming to another one. Look at that cool graffiti. It's pretty. Got my morning coffee. Looks like I'm crying, but really the wind is really strong and my eyes are just tearing up. That's beautiful. Look at that view. The golden hour. It's just fabulous. So this is a beautiful new installation in Boston Common. It's called The Embrace. And there's this very beautiful quote that I thought I'll just show you guys. So it says, "Love is such a powerful force. It's there for everyone to embrace. That kind of unconditional love for all of humankind. That is the kind of love that impels people to go into the communities and try to change condition for others, to take risk for what they believe in." How beautiful is that, right? Weather today is like doomsday. So pretty rainy day. Look at this cement tree. Very cold, right? Okay. Wow. It's like damn cold and it's raining like crazy. Oh, my eyes are curing off again. Rain. Your body. What I found. How interesting. Touring the Harvard be like. Look at this church. One day we managed to do Harvard and then MIT tour also. since it's like very famous to walk from MIT to the bridge right in front of it. So we decided to just walk. Let's see how it is. I mean, Charles River is pretty beautiful from the other side. Nera.